and it took
1.2
They started
kilometers.
construction in 1932 and they didn't finish until 1952. So 20 years, but there was a gap of about 5 years for the Second World War. So at least 15 years it took them. And the main reason why it took them so long is because this is solid granite in here. And normally granite is the hardest rock known to man. And normally that's only found deep under the ground. And this is another indicator that points towards that supercontinent that we talked about earlier in the Divide area. And so it went through that massive earthquakes and volcanic activity. And this mountain, which is the theory, was formerly deep down under the earth, suddenly shot up with internal pressure out of the ground and became this huge mountain. And that's why when they were building the tunnel, they would drill with their rock drills in about a metre and place the explosive charges in the rock, and they needed 400 kilograms of dynamite to move 1 metre of rock every time they blasted. So that's the main reason why it took so long to build.
400 kilo buat 1 meter doang.
And all that time, overall, nearly 20 years, nobody died in any of the construction of the tunnel, but 2 people were killed in an avalanche at the top of the tunnel, and 1 person died at the bottom of the tunnel here in an avalanche as well.
ஒரு மீட்டர் கட்டிட்டு 400 வெடிகுண்டு தேவையான